You already know how to count in German from 0 to 10, but can you count to 20? If you can't count to 20, then this video is for you because that is what we're going to be learning in this video today. Hello everyone, welcome back to Connect Language. This is lesson 2, episode 2 of our German number series. In the previous episode, we learned how to count from 0 to 10. Today, we'll be learning how to count in German from 11 to 20, and I will also show you how to pronounce them correctly. Now you already know the vibe, you know what to do, okay? Click on the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on post notifications so you get notified when we drop the next video. And if you're ready like I am, lass uns anfangen. Welcome back to class. All you need to do now is to get a book and a pen, listen to me carefully, and repeat these words after me. So now let's quickly go through what we learned in the next episode, 0 to 10. Let's count together. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 0 to 10 in German. Now let's move to 11. How do you say 11 in German? 11 is elf. Elf. A-L-F. Elf. Good. And then to 12. 12 in German is 12. 12. So we have Z, V, Ö, O umlaut, okay? L-F. 12, not 12. Please don't do that, okay? By now you should know how Z and W is pronounced in German. So 12 in German is 12. 12. Now from 13 to 19, it gets easier. There's a pattern to it. If you want to say 13 in German, you say 3, 10, 14, 4, 10, 15, 5, 10. However, there are some slight changes in some of these numbers, but then pay attention to them. Let's move on to 13. Just like I said, 13 in German is 3, 10. So what is 3 in German? 3. And what is 10 in German? 10. So 13 in German is 13. 13. 13. Good. And then 14 in German is 14. 14. 14. 14. Good. 15 in German is, what is 5? 5. And what is 10? 10. So we have 15. 15. 15. Good. Then to 16, there is a slight change, just like I said earlier. In 16, we know that 6 in German is 6, but then you would not say 16, but 16 without the S, without the last S in 6. So 16. 16. Good. So now we know that 7 in German is 7 and 10 in German is 10. Now we remove en in 7, so we only have sieb and 10. So 17 in German is 17. 17. 17. Good. Then 18 in German is 8, 8, 10, 10. So 18. 18. 18. Good. 19 in German is 9, 10. 19. 19. 19. And then 20 in German is 20. 20. 20. Good. Now we just learned how to count from 11 to 20 in German. So let's quickly go through that a bit slowly. So 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, and 20, 20. Now, by now, you should be able to count in German from 0 to 20. 0 bis 20. So, you will have come to the end of the second episode of our German number series. In the next episode, episode 3, we'll be learning from 21 to 30. It gets easier from there, honestly, trust me. So that's what we are going to be learning in our next episode. Now, if you still haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, then I really don't know what else to say. Now, click on the subscribe button, like this video, and comment the next topic you would want us to teach on this channel. Write it in the comments, and also turn on post notifications so you get notified when next we drop video on this channel. And don't forget to share with your loved ones, share with people you know are learning German. And I will see you in my next episode. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss.